Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about the subject English, which you are having in your semester 5 students. So in this video I'm going to tell you about the paper presentation and what are the tips and tricks you need to follow in this English subject, especially to score O grade. In English subject everyone can pass, but scoring O grade is important, right? So English is an easy and generalized subject, as you all know. In this I can't even like give the important questions also. Just you need to read the summaries as well as the textbook grammar. That's your syllabus content. So now we will discuss in this about the video what are the summaries you need to learn and how to learn that summaries, how to present that summaries in the examination booklet, and what are the grammar topics you are having. Everything we will discuss in this video. Okay, so as you are having your semester 5, you need to follow this book for semester 5 and semester 6. So this book you need to follow, and publication is Macmillan Education publication. This book only you need to follow. So in this book, whatever the units you are having, everything we will discuss in this video, because many of the students are not regular to the colleges. So for them this video will be useful. Okay, so students, total in semester 5 in English you will have 3 units, and the total 80 marks is your question paper. 3 hours is your time duration. So this 80 marks question paper will be from 3 units only. In every unit, poem will be there, poetry will be there, vocabulary will be there, grammar will be there. In each unit you will have this. In first unit, second unit you will have this. In third unit you will have vocabulary, you will have grammar, and you will have another vocabulary consist of filling and book review. So first we will discuss about the unit number 1. In unit number 1, the poem is Ecology, written by A.K. Ramanujan. Who is the author of Ecology? A.K. Ramanujan. So my suggestion is you should remember the author names and lesson names, and what in that lesson what you are learning. What is the story of that lesson? This 3 is important. If you are perfect with this 3, you can finish your English preparation within one day. Not one day batting also you will do one night. Okay, so now we will discuss second poetry. What you will have? What's the language of the future? This is the question lesson, poetry lesson from unit number 1. Okay, so vocabulary and grammar will be there. That is like conditions I will discuss later. So ecology summary. What's the language of the future? In examination, in part A, 8 questions they will ask. 8 questions they will ask. You need to attempt 5 questions. Each carries 4 marks. Part A consisting of 20 marks. So in part A it's purely of bits only. Whatever you are having in vocabulary and grammar from unit number 1, unit number 2 and unit number 3, that only you will get in part A. Okay, so part A consisting of only 20 marks. So part B is of 16 marks. 5 questions you need to attempt, each carries 12 marks. So ninth question will come from 9A, 9B will be there. Okay, so 9A is from ecology, 9B is also from ecology. From ecology you will have 2 questions. You need to attempt any one question which carries 12 marks. If you are perfect with ecology summaries, one question you will definitely attempt which consisting of 12 marks. Okay, so ninth question is ecology. You are preparing summary. 10th question is from what's the language of the future? Sometimes they will ask what is the language of the future according to the author. Who is the author of what's the language of the future? Henry Hitchings. He is the author of this poetry lesson. So 10A and 10B from what's the language of the future. If you are perfecting with this summary, you will attempt one 12 marks questions. Okay, means summary means how you are preparing summary is not important. For every question if you are writing summary means that there you will lose the marks. My thing is, if you are perfect with the summaries but there are some techniques to present that summaries in the examination booklet that I will tell you later in this video. So 10th question is from this. And from unit number 2, poem lesson is from girls. Poem lesson is there from unit number 2 in English. And here gender equality is your issue 2. Gender equality is your issue 2, written by Emma Watson. This is an important lesson. Both are important lesson. In this lesson you can easily write about the girl. A girl is what she is there. About girl, if you read one time that summary, then easily you can get to know how girls are facing problems. Is girls are like related to only for the kitchen works or the household works, that you will learn in girl lesson. Gender equality is issue 2 means she is Emma Watson. This lesson is purely of speech. What she have said about the gender equality in her speech, that is only this lesson. You need to watch in YouTube also. Whatever she has given that speech, if you are listening that speech means also you can easily attempt it. And in this gender equality you will have one like symbol you will have, like both men are women are equal, like this you will have like this some called symbol you will have. If you are searching in Chrome also you will get it. Try to present that symbol in the examination booklet by correcting the invigilator, by seeing that symbol which you have drawn in that answer booklet will be impressed, and you will score 12 of 12 marks. How you are presenting that answer in the answer booklet is mandatory, is important. Not how much you are learning is important, ma. Okay, so 10th question, 11th question is from girl, 12th question is from gender equality, and last question in part B is 13th question. So 13th question, from what they will give, 113A will come from film review, 13B will come from book review. Prepare any one. My suggestion is film review is easy than book review. If you are learning film review, give it is a choice for book review. If you are learning book review, give a choice for film review. So perfect any one review, that will be enough. If you want to learn both, you can. Okay, so ecology summary, what's the language of the future summary, girl summary, and gender equality is your issue 2. These 4 summaries you need to learn, and one film review or book review, this is the 5th one. And textbook grammar. In textbook, whatever the grammar you are having, I will tell you now. In important questions video, I have given the textbook important questions also. If you want, that means you can follow. Indianism is the vocabulary which will come for 4 marks in part A. Framing questions, you need to frame the questions, that is also in a part A bit. Analogy and odd one out, this is also in a part A bit. Verbs you are having, conditional you are having, technical vocabulary you are having. If you are perfect with these 6 vocabulary and grammar bits, 20 marks you can score in part A. If you are perfecting with these 4 summaries and one review, either book review or film review, you will attempt 16 marks. Total 80 marks question paper you are attempting. Okay, in that, if you are attempting 80 marks question paper, according to this you can easily get 70 plus marks, and your college will give 20 marks, total 90 marks, which is O grade. Simple. And now we will discuss about the how you should present your answers in an exam booklet. Means you have learned the summaries and the reviews and textbook grammar, and but also presenting your answers in the answer booklet is important. This is your booklet, as you all know. This is like your booklet, ma. Draw one line here. If you are starting part B, write part B like this. Here you are writing question number. Which question you are attempting? Ninth question you are attempting. In ninth question you are having two options, A and B. If you are attempting A means write like this. Ninth question is from ecology. By reading the question you will get to know that the lesson is from ecology. Like this you need to write ecology. In middle you need to write the ecology. Here you write Ramanujan. Who is the author of that? Ramanujan. Okay. You need to write the summaries in 3 paragraphs. In first paragraph you need to introduce about the author of the lesson, who is Ramanujan, where he was born, in which year he was born, and what are his achievements, and that you need to write it in first paragraph. In second paragraph you need to start about the lesson. In ecology what you will learn, the main keywords in ecology is 3 red champak trees, mother, migration. These are all keywords of this lesson. You need to use these words while writing the answer, and you need to highlight it. If you want to highlight a sentence, here like this you will have your sentences. Draw one line here, give inverted marks. Like this you need to draw. Here you are highlighting the word like migration. Red champak trees, highlight the word like this. Definitely you can score good marks. How many pages you will write? 3 sides. Some students will tell that no need of writing 3 sides, 1.5 side is more than enough. For 12 marks, you need to write at least 3 sides, then only you can score 12 marks. Okay. For each paper, 4 marks only, ma. If you are writing only 1 side or 2 sides of the paper, how they can allot you 12 marks? So, minimum 3 sides you need to attempt it. Like this, you need to present your answers in the answer booklet. And if you are attempting part A, in part A, first question you are having the optionals A, B, C, D. First question, some students what they will do here only they will write A, B, C, D. Second question A, B. Like this you need to. It is wrong. You need to write all this in inner column. In this column only you need to mention the question numbers only. Nothing you should mention. First question number 1. In that A answer was, B answer to, C answer because, D answer they. Like this you need to. Some students they will copy the question again. No need to copy the questions. Like this you need to present the answers in the answer booklet. Definitely you can score O grade in this subject. Okay. So I hope that you are clear with this all the tips and tricks, and I hope that these tips and tricks will be useful to you all. So this is all about the video. If you're having any further doubts related to this English subject or related to this video, you please comment me in the comment section, and Telegram group link for the notes, PDFs, everything, whatever the links I am having, I will post it in description box. So if you want to join in that groups means you can join with that link. Okay. And in semester 5, cost accounting, business economics, tally, everything I have uploaded the presentation videos in our channel. If you are unaware of that, you please check out in our channel. There you will find the preparation tips and paper presentation tips of each and every subject which you are having in your semester 5. Okay. So once again, all the very best for your examination and all the very best for your preparation, students. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me. Feel free to ask me. Definitely I'm here to help you out. Okay. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. This video will be helpful for them also. See you all next video. Bye bye.